Okay, so I was actually about to upload this video, and I realized I didn't include why I bought this or how much it was and where I got it. I was watching a video, I believe it was MKBHD, and he had all the YouTubers putting out what tech they liked for the year. And one that caught my eye was obviously this power bank, which is why I bought it. So upon wanting to find more information on this, I couldn't really find anything, unless it was Mr. Mobile. So I feel like there was no smaller consumers or smaller YouTubers testing this out or putting a review out on it. So I went ahead and bought it to test it out because it fit what I wanted, which was wireless charging and charge multiple, and basically be something that can hold on charge forever, pretty much. I bought this off of Amazon, my Amazon Prime for free delivery, $135. I believe after taxes is about $140. So I'll go ahead and put this in before the video starts, and I'll let you guys watch the video. So I just got this in the mail right now. The Goal Zero power bank. So this is you're able to take this on airplanes, and actually I was actually wrong. It has 25,000 milliamp hours. Solar ready. This company sells another product where you can charge your products via the sun. Alright, let's go ahead and open the box. Sorry for the camera shake, I currently do not have a tripod. Wow, it's sturdy packaging. Oh, this thing is big. Charging cable must be in here. So in that package, they give you a USB-C to USB 3 cord. You can plug this into any type of outlet that accepts to charge it. First impressions, crank the ISO up on my camera a little bit. Sorry if it gets a little bit noisy. So the body from this is all metal. Has little rubber foot pads on the bottom as well. All your specified battery information that you would need. And let's see what this comes with charged. Comes on 85%. One of the reasons why I bought this is because I like the fact that it tells you exactly what battery percentage you're on. That's the biggest plus in the world. I don't like seeing the battery increments, just the four little dashes on other batteries. And right here you can wireless charging, QI. It charges at 5 watts. This is the pad for the wireless charging. And on the top is just six screws. So right here I'm just showing you some better close-ups, more in focus, of the two most important pages of the manual, in my opinion, just so you can get your spec sheet and everything, just in case you don't want to go dig around on Amazon. So feel free to go ahead and pause the video if you want to stare at the specs and also what all the buttons do. Charges any branded device that approves the wireless charging. However, will not charge Apple Watches. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing / first look at this power brick right here. I do want to post a review video in maybe about a month. I also want to charge this thing up to 100% and then use it every day for a week and see how long it takes for me to kill this thing. Keep in mind, I will charge my Apple Watch via cord, AirPods, and my iPhone, and possibly any friends or family that may need it when I'm on the go testing it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.